Top 3 Best Self-Cleaning Litter Boxes. Number 3. Omega Paw Roll and Clean Cat Litter Box. The Roll and Clean Self-Cleaning Litter Box cleans in seconds and is as easy to use as 1, 2, 3. This self-cleaning litter box does not require the use of electricity, liners, or filters, making it the most economical self-cleaning litter box on the market. Pros: simple tilting maneuver, separates clean and dirty litter. Tall enclosure minimizes room odor. Deep tray holds a lot of litter. Cons: plastic sifting grate tears easily. Litter can leak out or stick to grate. Tabs are not secure, creating a mess when they fail. Bottom line: easy to use and easy to keep clean. Quick rocking and tilting action eliminates the need for scooping. Very affordable price point. Number 2. PetSafe Simply Clean Automatic Litter Box. The quiet, slow-moving conveyor system sifts the clumping cat litter and removes waste every 30 minutes, making one full rotation every hour and a half. Waste is carried off to the covered bin, keeping it out of sight while reducing odor. The replaceable carbon filter acts as a second layer of odor defense. The system is whisper quiet, and the LED light will ensure you that the system is running and giving your cat a carefree, clean litter box. Pros: the self-cleaning component is actually quiet and effectively does not disturb cats. Inexpensive. Designed to be used with regular grocery bags so you can be more economical and environmentally friendly. Cons: some cats won't get used to the litter moving once an hour. Some complaints of motor burnout. Bottom line: a seamless way to have a clean kitty litter at an affordable price. Can be used with any type of clumping litter. Number 1. PetSafe Scoop-Free Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The PetSafe Scoop-Free Ultra Self-Cleaning Litter Box provides weeks of fresh, clean litter whenever your cat needs it. The health counter gives you a peace of mind by knowing how many times your cat uses the box each day. Less time spent maintaining your cat's litter box means you can enjoy more quality moments with your cat and live happy together. Pros: very easy to assemble and clean. Crystal litter minimizes odors better than clay. Automatic rake sifts out feces and redistributes litter. Cons: uses a crystal litter that some cats will not use. Urine does not clump, just pools. Larger cat breeds may not fit comfortably. Bottom line: for cat owners who dread the idea of daily box cleanings, we recommend investing in the forever tray if changing the disposable ones become a chore. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.